Hey everyone, struggling with belly fat? I've got a secret military drink that can help you lose up to 20 kilos in just a month. It melts belly fat in 7 days without dieting or hard workouts. Bookmark this video so you don't lose it. To make this amazing drink, here's what you need. Half a cucumber. Peel the cucumber and cut it into small slices. Cucumbers are rich in water, keeping you full longer. A piece of fresh ginger peel and slice the ginger. It helps dissolve belly fat and promotes weight loss. 2 sprigs of fresh mint, remove the mint leaves. Mint burns calories and aids digestion. 1 lemon extract the juice of 1 lemon. It boosts calorie burning. Now, prepare the drink. Blend all the ingredients with 2 cups of water until smooth. Strain the mixture into a bottle and refrigerate. Drink 1 cup before breakfast daily for 7 days. You'll see results in 3 days. If obese, drink 2 cups a day for faster results. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, follow for more tips, comment below, and share with friends who need it.